Hello and welcome to Jobs and Education. Do subscribe and share my videos. This is your Mahesh Dole. In this video, I would like to explain about the water pump. Very important. So pumps topic is very important for every mechanical and civil as well as mining engineers. What is a pump? This is a figure of pump. So a hydraulic pump is a mechanical device that converts mechanical power into hydraulic energy. Means with the mechanical power, it converts the hydraulic energy. Means the pump is used to pump the or send the or transfer the liquid from one place to another place. Simply we use the pumps to lift the liquids from low level to higher levels. What is a centrifugal pump? Out of different type of pumps, centrifugal pump is most advantageous and having huge applications. Centrifugal pumps are the most popular and commonly used type of pump for the transfer of fluids. In simple words, it is a pump that uses a rotating impeller. This is rotating impeller to move water or other fluids by using centrifugal force. Centrifugal force means from the center to the outward of the circle. So here if you observe this figure, this is having one inlet and one outlet. Inlet means this is a horizontal hole is the inlet, outlet is this one. So from this hole the inlet will, whatever the liquid is there, that will come from this inlet and finally discharges from this outlet like this outside. So with the rotation of the impeller here, it will move upwards. So this is a centrifugal pump outlook or sectioning figure. Inside this fan like structure is impeller. This is a suction. Suction is nothing but inlet. From this inlet the liquid enters into this center of the pump. In that center of the pump, this impeller will rotate with the blades. So those impeller blades will take this liquid to the next level. It pushes out from this discharge valve. So this is also section of that centrifugal pump. These are impeller blades and this is a water inlet. This is water outlet and this is a shaft to rotate. The shaft is rotated with the help of electric power or mechanical power. Now we are learning about water pump. It is a component of water cooling system which provides cooling to the heat engine. As we seen in radiator, so water pump is very much useful in the arrangement of the radiator to the IC engines. So in between radiator and that jacket of the cylinders, so there will use this pump. The pump will circulate the liquid or coolant throughout all the jacket and radiator. So with the help of this water pump, if we observe this total arrangement of the IC engine, this part is radiator part. So this is a water pump. So this side the engine cylinders will be there. This water pump is going to circulate the water to this radiator. Observe this figure. This is the core of the radiator. This is upper tank. This is lower tank. This is a fan. Here this is the pump. This pump is going to circulate the liquid from here to here, here to here. It circulate to jackets of the cylinders. So to circulate this water throughout all this cycle, in the middle here the pump is used, that is nothing but water pump. So water pump is mounted between engine block and the radiator. It consists of a casing. This is nothing but casing which has inlet and outlet. So this is inlet and this is outlet. Ports of water on the pump shaft. Impeller is mounted at one end and the pulley at other end. So this is impeller is mounted on one end, mounted at one end and pulley at other end. Impeller shaft itself is supported in the body of the pump by ball bearings. The water entering the inlet port of the pump from the radiator is directed to the center of the pump. So whatever the liquid is coming from this inlet or this side, this is inlet, it will go to the center of the pump. It will go to the center of the pump. There this impellers will rotate and finally that discharges to the required place. The rotating curved vanes, these are the curved vanes. This is curved vanes or impellers. So the rotating curved vanes of impeller of a pump through the water outward due to centrifugal force. This is center to the outward acting is nothing but centrifugal force. Because of that force the pump is running. So that's why it is centrifugal pump. Outward motion of water is limited by the casing, but the vanes impel water in circular motion till pump outlet is reached. So the impellers will rotate and that will send the liquid to the discharge valve. So due to this pressure difference will be created between the inlet and outlet port of the pump. So because of this impeller rotation, there will be a difference of pressure between inlet and outlet. The stored up energy forces the water through the outlet to the water jacket. What happens from this pump? This exhaust or the discharge valve sends the water to the jacket of this engine cylinder. So the water sends to this jacket of the engine cylinders. This will pass, the liquid pass through these engine cylinders and it will go to the radiator again. Fresh water from the lower tank of radiator always flow through hose pipe. This is a lower tank, it will pass through the hose pipe. This is hose pipe. They prevent leakage of water from casing side to bearing side. A seal is provided on the shaft. So in the pump, a seal is used to prevent the leakage. Thank you for watching this video. Do subscribe and share my videos. This is your Mahesh Dole.